Yo, what's up? Got another trade recap for today. I took one L today, only risking 0.5. Um, so yeah, let's get into it right now. So on EU, this is the one I took a trade on. There was news today at 6:30 a.m. Yeah, core retail sales and retail sales. So that was this candle here, as you can probably tell. So coming into market, London session was uh, really bit bullish. 1 hour and 4 hour were bullish as well. So that's the first mistake I made. Yeah, 1 hour and then 4 hours was bullish from this closure above. And then coming into market open, you had Asian London highs up here, London lows. Uh, Not really anywhere to like there weren't really any London lows, and then Asian highs were up down here, so they weren't really relevant. So I was really playing off with the London high. So market opened right below London lows. Ideally, um, well, not really ideally. Price. I was waiting for news to come out. Price started moving up to the London high. Didn't ever really move it. Like didn't really ever interact with it. So didn't take any action. But what I noticed was when watching the charts, I felt kind of like, oh, what if I just enter off this breaker structure or something, But news was at 6:30, so I didn't really enter. Yeah, so price came out. I was looking for a retracement after news came out, potential equilibrium or something like that. I had this marked out. Price came up here and it just kept on pushing higher and higher. So I wasn't really sure if that was a valid um, retracement to fill in. Yeah, to find equilibrium. But what I did think was, so this was like an order block that we used to form this new high and take out this liquidity. And then we had already came below, come up, and then rejected off of that. And then again here came into it and rejected off of that. And then so here, once price came into here, I was looking for a break of structure to the downside because we came into this order block area. Price broke structure here and entered short, but yeah, so looking back at it now, I think this wasn't really um, like a proper break of structure. I guess like usually if I see a break of structure, ideally it would be it would be more prominent possibly, or like just like deeper. I don't know, but like lower than the low by a bit. So yeah, I entered and I got stopped out. If price had broke structure with this, probably would have been a bit more confident, but it didn't. So yeah, price just kept on going higher. So what could I have improved about this? I'll go into my emotions first. So emotions, I felt just staring at the charts, I felt like FOMO kind of. I felt like I was missing a move, missing out. I kind of felt like because I was staring at the charts, I should just take a trade because I just feel like I'm just wasting my time not doing anything. But I feel like now, I'm starting to understand that less is more. I watched like quite a bit of YouTube videos about this. Focus on taking high quality setups, eliminating the low probable like the lesser probable trades, I guess, like the less lower tier of setups, and only look for high quality ones. This wasn't really a high quality one because one reason was 4 hour and 1 hour were bullish, so probably should have been looking for buys, not sells. And then number two, uh, this was not really like a proper break of structure. Maybe I could say, maybe I would say like, oh, I want a closure below here. And then another thing was that maybe this was not like a proper interaction with the high because this was the news candle. But I mean, like according to like the liquidity like thinking, right? It wouldn't. I feel like this is a like according to the strategy thinking, like the actual thinking of it. This would be a value because it's coming in to this high, interacting with the high, and then making a reaction to the downside. So, yeah, those are three things I could learn. Wait, did I say three or two? But I think it's three. Actually, another thing I could learn. So this is something emotion I can learn. So like when I was sitting on the charts, I felt like I need to take a trade. I just talked about this, but yeah, I'll just go into more depth. I felt like I needed to take a trade rather than being patient and waiting for the setup to come to me. Instead of observing the markets, I think I was like trying to force my intuition on the markets, which is not the correct thing to do. I'm starting to feel a bit of like an attachment to money because now I lost 0.5% on this, so I'm down 3% on the funded. not like that bad, but I feel like I'm just gonna keep on saying that until I get to like 9%. I'm like, oh, it's not that bad. I'm at 9%, but like, yeah. As I keep on getting lower and lower, I'm feeling like I'm getting more attached, more and more attached to like making it back. Kind of like, when I was plotting out this trade, I was like, yo, if I can hit take profit, I could make 2% back. I mean, I could gain 1% back, and I'll just only be at minus 1.5%. And because of that, I think I kind of forced this trade rather than being patient. So what I'm gonna do to fix this kind of issue, I guess, is like, um, I'll reduce my risk to 0.25% so that I can detach myself from the outcome and focus on the process. I think like Justin Worltin or something on YouTube. I watched a video about that, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I already journal my trades. I already meditate. Um, I think I just gotta detach myself from the outcome of the trade and rather focus on the process, because I think that's my main issue right now. I'm focused on passing the funded count by May, and that should not be an expectation I have, because that subconsciously is making myself thinking about taking a trade when I really shouldn't be doing that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for GJ didn't really offer anything. Price just opened at the at the London low and then pushed right past with the news candle and never made a retracement back into the high, so I didn't take anything. But wow, look at that! Came back in and then boom, beautiful. But wait, yeah, um, yeah, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Um, I don't know. I got an LASA tomorrow. Kind of cooked for that. Feeling kind of rushed because I think I procrastinated a bit too much this morning. Yeah, the other thing that I kind of like did bad was after this loss, I just felt like I felt like bad, felt sad. So that's something I can learn on. Just do something happy after a loss, maybe, because I didn't feel like doing shit, and I just like looked on TikTok and YouTube for like new videos and stuff, and I should not be doing that. And that led me to being late to school today, and then being late to sleep because it's already 8:30, and usually I should be asleep, ready to sleep, but I still gotta stretch and meditate and stuff. So yeah, that's all for today. See you tomorrow, man. I really want to pass this funded, bro. But yeah, goodbye.